So it seems like, effectively, when we talk about responsible AI and the responsible AI layer, fundamentally the platform, the automation success platform, from day one, we built it with governance and security in mind. So, right now everyone's talking about generative AI. Next year it could be something else. But whatever it is, foundationally, the sort of ethos of the platform, of our company, of the solution, is around this idea of governance, security, so that no matter what technology comes next, you've built these good habits, you have these controls in place, right, so that you're protected and you can automate with confidence.
Well, I mean, governance is one of the things that really sets us apart as a technology vendor. You can't just have technology running amok, unfettered in an organization. You have to be able to control and manage that. Any IT leader will say yes, absolutely. And so we have definitely built that into our platform. Before generative AI came aboard, we've had a lot of these capabilities already, and we've just expanded it. So as you are injecting generative AI and you're integrating with new models, your data is going to be touching some new things. So we've built in additional controls to make sure that you have the ability to turn that switch on and off, and you can control who has access to that. Everything from who is allowed to create prompts, because prompts are data, right? They can give away IP or information. You want to be able to manage that, to what data goes into foundational models or can be pulled out of it. So all of that is just incredibly important to be able to manage and monitor as an enterprise.